Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, time to make some soap. So today what I'm going to be doing is another drop swirl, and at least that's the plan. That depends on what the batter's going to do. I'm really hoping to get a batter consistency, so this is a result I can get with today's colors. I was just so happy with that one. So, depends on what the fragrance is going to do. I'm going to fragrance it with Nature's Garden Icy Shine. I have used this in the past with good luck, and it held well in the cured soap. I'm hoping I have the same luck because I bought the 16-ounce bottle. For the colors, I will be using 4 titanium dioxide white. I'm using Brambleberry's Ultramarine Blue, which is just absolutely gorgeous blue. I'm going to be using Mad Micah's Cheesy Poof. My camera doesn't pick that up. You can't really tell how vibrant that is. And Brambleberry's Hydrated Chrome Green. And I'm going to pour in that order. So what do you say? I stop talking, we just get started. I am being lazy. These are not micas. Ultramarines and like powders generally do better if you pre-mix them in oil. I didn't do that, so I hope I don't regret it. We'll see. I didn't measure the temperature, but I'm probably in the area between 80 and 85, probably below 85. So I will start by carefully pouring the lye water into the oils, as usual, and get a very basic emulsification. Just very, very basic, because I probably will have to stick blend a little bit more since I didn't pre-disperse those colorants in oil. That's all I'm going to do, because I will definitely be stick blending some more. So let's get these into 4 containers, or close is good enough. And it is a little bit grainy, some slight separation because it's such a very basic emulsification. But I've had this happen many times and it's not an issue because this is not the final pour. So once again, this is the order I'm going to pour in: white, blue, orange, and green. So let's just go ahead and put that in. Titanium dioxide is pre-dispersed in oil. Give it a stir. And here's the part where I hope I don't regret, but we'll find out. So put an orange in. my green in. And put this beautiful ultramarine blue in. And give these a quick buzz with the stick blender. I generally stir micas in first, but since these are going to need a little extra stick blend, I'll do that first. So let me get my white first. And my orange. That seemed to work. I hope I don't have any clumps in the final. I am going to wipe this head off because I really don't want that mixing in. That orange is so vibrant. I don't want that mixing in with my other colors. So I'm going to stick blend the green pigment in. And stick blend the ultramarine blue in. And it looks as though I'm going to be okay. So I will probably hand stir the fragrance in. I have used it. I don't remember having issues. I reviewed that video and it seemed to do well. But I'm going to play it safe and stir it in by hand. And that looks about the consistency I like. So let's get ready and pour this. I think that's just, Decisions. I'm not going to stick blend this at all. I'm going to wait just a few seconds. I'll be back. Okay, so like before, this icy shine is behaving well. I haven't stick blended it. I'm not going to, but it's been a good while, and I think it's the consistency I like, and I think it'll stay. So the last time when I got that result that I liked so much, I did the pour low and slow. Alright. That's too thin to do anything with. It'll have to sit for a while and thicken up. But when it thickens up enough, I will spray it with rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash. Wait 5 minutes, spray it again, wrap it up, and put it to bed in a nice warm spot. So I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye. Okay, we're back to cut our soap. And just like the last time I used it, that fragrance behaved beautifully. It's holding up nice and strong. I didn't stick blend it in, but I definitely could have. Got our usual results. Slick, shiny sides. Let's cut into it. Here we go. Aha. All right, yeah. So low and slow truly is the trick on a drop swirl to keep the colors nice and thick and not from blending together. All right. Gee, how many years have I been soaping? Just now figured that out. And I'll cut this other one off camera. They're going to look pretty much the same. But I am very pleased with these. Very happy. That's what I have this week. So you all stay safe, take care of yourselves, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.